Gringos are melting. It's hot.
There's a story behind all of this. I don't know, this might be one of my favorite ones. Hey guys, it is a beautiful Saturday in Puerto Rico, and what do? When the beaches are busy, we go exploring, and today we are in Yauco. So we headed south to a little tiny town that I have wanted to visit forever. Super colorful. What do they call it? Yaucromatic?
Yaucromatic.
Lots of steps today. It is very hot, but the breeze is making it so much nicer. So let's go check out this little town.
And before making the long uphill trek to the Yaucromatic, we decided to explore the main plaza first. This plaza was recently restored in 2023, and it is the heart of the town. The coffee festival is held right here in the center of the plaza every year. There's a historic church that dates back to the 1930s, a memorial for soldiers, colorful old architecture, local shops and restaurants that surround the plaza. Ooh, Yauco sign.
I love how all of the towns here have beautiful architecture, beautiful murals.
After spending a little time taking it all in, we headed uphill to finally see the art Yauco is known for.
Oh, look at the little streets.
I know, these are some
He's
of the
turning that
best.
way.
Like for old
Oh yeah, for sure.
streets.
Windy.
Get your steps in today.
I know, right?
Is that red flamboyant tree? Or a different kind? Different.
I'm not sure. I think it's different. It's very pink. I love the murals. Oh. Okay. Just remember, if you're going to do this.
For sure.
Oh, I see, here it is. It's a little park with the trees are covered in sweaters.
Keep them warm.
That's so cute. All right, we're going to cross.
that
It
a
is
paddle?
beautiful. Hola, baby. Hola. Are you nice? Yes? No? Okay. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. So one of our first stops as we made our way up the hill through the Yaucromatic, and honestly, what drew me to this little town in the first place is the little plaza known as Placita Pablo el Negro, named after the beloved town figure Pablo Villarronga. Locals refer to him as the adopted son of Yauco, remembered not for politics or wealth, but for his charisma, his kindness, storytelling, and the way he united the people of the town. The breeze, ooh, it's gonna take my hat off. You gotta swing.
These are crochets.
I know, it was cool as shit.
Under a crochet tree.
Oh, I love it. I don't know, this might be one of my favorite ones.
So these stairs that we're walking up are referred to as Escalinata. They were actually built back in 1910, and once you get to the top, there's even a Taino statue showing Puerto Rico's rich indigenous history.
Beautiful.
Cool statue, and you have more up at the top.
Here we go.
Now, is this part of Yaucromatic?
Yes, see all the stairs are painted? See, you can go color house,
Or
go that way. You can walk all the way up. And then there's some kind of color house down here.
all right.
Oh, look. Oh, there you go. That's beautiful.
Kind of reminds you of Aguadilla a little.
Yeah. This is beautiful.
I'd say cool. You'd say beautiful. Beautifully cool.
I'm gonna be taking 100 pictures.
As we made our way up, the colors kept getting brighter. There was so much to look at, every step another mural, painted staircase, or colorful house.
I like it. So much character. Be ready to walk if you come here so you can see the cool stuff.
And now we were at the most popular spot on the Yaucromatic tour. This is where it all started. It's wild to think people had to climb these stairs every day just to get to their house.
I wish I was taller. These are old. Oh, neat.
So is this the original, I take it?
I believe so. It looks like it.
Oh, wow.
View?
Yes.
You got a good view?
And we're not all the way there yet. Check that out, guys.
Woo! Oh, wow.
Really cool.
Oh, such a shame. These are like ruins they painted.
Sometimes the most beautiful places are born from the things that were almost lost. Standing on top of the hill, you could feel that. What could have stayed broken became a canvas. What could have been forgotten became a reason for people to come together. It's not just art on walls, it's a community choosing to turn pain, tragedy, and loss into something beautiful. And honestly, that's Puerto Rico. Resilient, creative, and full of life.
Really, really, really cool place.
What a beautiful way to, kind of preserve something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
To me, it's a fantastic way to preserve. Turned it a tragedy and made it beautiful.
Definitely worth the day trip.
Oh, absolutely.
Check out.
The little placita is enough for me to come back. It is. Like, I would definitely recommend. It's really pretty and just fun.
I want to thank you guys for joining us. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for more All Great Adventures.
Me ofrecí, puro sentimiento, mi mujer mía está así. Le entregué mi cora que sobraba a su merced. Atrapado con mi espalda contra la pared. Acariciarte sin lamento, persiguiendo este momento. Te amo ciegamente.